alligator skin boots, and a helter-skelter around her little finger, and I ride it endlessly. She's got a Barbarella silver swimsuit, and when she needs to shelter from reality, she takes a dip in my daydreams. My days end best when the sunset gets itself behind that little lady sitting on the passenger side. It's much less picturesque without her catching the light. The horizon tries, but it's just not as kind on the eye. Just not attaching to your mind and soul. You can't be sure. Arabella's got a 70s head, but she's a modern lover, it's an exploration. She's made of outer space, and her lips are like the galaxy's edge, and her kiss the color of a constellation falling into place. My days end best when the sunset gets itself behind that little lady sitting on the passenger side. It's much less picturesque without her catching the light. The horizon tries, but it's just not as kind on the eye. Is that a bird? Is that a bird? Just not tapped into your mind and soul. You can't be sure. That's magic in a cheetah print coat, just a slip underneath it. I hope that's good. I can have one of those organic cigarettes that you smoke. Drops the lip round a Mexican coat. Makes you wish that you were the bottle. Takes a sip of your soul, and it sounds right.
There's something about my ego, tell her back up, Tim Tebow, got TiVo, up in the ride, I'm leaning back in my seat low, you need those or just sex them, bend the ass like Beckham, undress them, respect them, just for the night, then after that I forget them, neglecting, I'm sorry girl, turn her house into a party world, probably gonna get herself played, it's Harvey, no time for tears if you cry, come Harvey, got girls by the army, feeling kinda horny, love it when I'm on a Benny Blanc beat, talk cheap but I spend big, cause I
just shoot for the stars. If it feels right, then aim for my heart. If you feel like it, take me away and make it okay. I swear I'll behave. You wanted control, so we waited. I put on a show. Now I'm naked. You say I'm a kid. My ego is big. I don't give a shit. And it goes like this. Tell me about the tongue and I know you
Jagger, say I got them moves. Always rolling stone, girls call my phone, let them ring them way too cool. Get a little bit of dome when I'm in arenas, messing with these hoes to be so eager, but no need to tease her. I'ma go with Christina.